Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unrestrict CFD trading on eToro. Now either you're on the mobile application or the process or like on the laptop or PC and you got restricted on CFD trading. So how can you unrestrict it? Now if we talk about why did you got restricted, so that can be for a few reasons. The first reason is that your account verification is not completed, that any of the document that you submitted might have proven wrong or they are not able to verify your complete profile. So make sure to check either your profile is complete at the 100%, and if you have left any 10% or 5% or 20%, make sure to complete the profile verification. And once they have your profile is at the 100% completion, after that they ask like the basic questions about the CFD trading, that do you really know about the leverage, the CFD risks, the margins, and these kind of things. So you are a trader, so you must know know these things. And if you answer those questions wrong, so they will like restrict the CFD trading on your account, and like after a week or like few days they will automatically again ask to answer those CFD related questions. So do not try anything else, they will automatically ask, you just need to answer those questions. And once you have answered those questions correctly, they will verify the answers, they will verify your account, and after that you will be able to unrestrict CFD trading on your eToro within few days. So this process is pretty simple. Wait, do not hurry, and at the end you will be able to do it.